Hey, easy, not yet. Wait till we get past the introduction guy. Hold on. What's going on, guys? Roscoe here, back with another video. So today's Saturday, and on Saturday on the channel is always random vids. I think last Saturday I did the mystery brand. That did very well, so I figured let's keep the ball rolling, but this time we're gonna do a mystery box. So this mystery box is over from Laced Up. I'll put their website down below. It's not sponsored or anything like that, but I just want you guys to know this is a legit mystery box. Quick update though before we dive into this. Quick update on the channel, the giveaway. Yo, chill for like 2 seconds. 2 seconds, bro. Quick update on the channel, the giveaway. The giveaway is all set. I picked out all 3 items. They're coming, should be delivered Monday or Tuesday, so expect that video either Monday or Tuesday. Just a straight giveaway video. All the instructions will be in the video, so don't worry. You don't have to hit me up on IG, so don't worry. But if you want, follow me here on Instagram and get your head start on the giveaway. I'll tell you that right now. So this guy's ready. I'm ready. Let's do this. So hold on, give me a break, y'all. Bro, come on. All right, so this is over from Laced Up. This is their Halloween mystery box that they had on the website. I figured, hey, Halloween's in a couple weeks. Let's do it up, let's check it out. I believe this is bape though. This is all bape. No shoes. This was $200. This was $200. So if you guys enjoy this types of videos and you want to see more mystery boxes, smash that like button. If we can get like, say like another 200 likes, I'll buy another $200 mystery box. If we get 400 likes, I'll buy a $400 mystery box. So the more likes, the more expensive the mystery box will get. So again, this is over from Laced Up. Let's take a look at what's inside. Dude, you are just ready. Yo bro, chill bro. Watch out for the knife. I don't want to stab you and take you to the vet. You just turn your back on the viewers, bro. Alright, let's go. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Hey, back over here. There you go. Stay. Dog hair all over my Yeezy pants. Alright, like I said, Laced Up. Here. Oh, look, they have cobwebs and everything in here. What is all this stuff that they gave? Alright, so let's just do here. I'm just gonna get rid of them. Say peace. Bane. Peace. Here. Box. Go get it. Alright, so first off, some random Joker card. Pretty cool. Alien type inspired. A glow stick. You'll be on the club. Put this around the wrist. Yeah, and then some erasers. Some Frankenstein erasers. So, little kid stuff, pretty cool. Yo, chill. Alright, so it looks like, so here we go, Laced Up. They give you always this. Laced Up, boom, guys, so you know. LacedUp.com. They have a bunch of stuff. It's not just mystery boxes. They sell sneakers, Supreme stuff, tons of stuff. So I just want to do this. Like again, this is just legit Laced Up. If you want me to cop from eBay, I can do an eBay mystery box, and who knows what's in those. So just let me know down in the comments. So first up, Laced Up. Again, package laced. Everything's really nice actually. First up, bait tee. And you can pick your sizes too. You can pick your sizes. I picked all XL. So this is just a bait tee. Just a classic bait tee it looks like in the olive colorway, which I love olive fall colors. Perfect. So let's see. So here we go. Just a simple bait tee. Bathe in 8. I actually like this font. I like this one. Wow, this one's nice. So I got the bait with the orange R, and then on the back, it's kind of stuck, which is kind of super. On the back here, by Bathe in 8. Not bad. It's actually kind of a cool tee. I like this t-shirt. It's really nice. So basically, for 200 bucks, you get two $200 bait tees. So. And I believe this one's a bait tee too. I think I know what this one is. This one's, so again, buy, sell, trade, Laced Up in the packaging. Ooh, Cool. So right off the bat, I got camo bait. Oh, let me see for focus. Yeah, a camo bait keychain. Cool. Maybe this will be part. Maybe I'll throw this in the giveaway or something like that. Or I'll just keep it and hoard it and put it on my keys. And then here's the bait tape. Ah, nice. I have this font, but I have it in I have it like the camo. I have this one in the camo, the pink camo actually. Cool. Now I get my t-shirt game's gonna be dope. My t-shirt game's gonna be ready. So just the classic bait, black one. So this is the classic bait. Classic bathing ape shirt. So that's what they got me. So this is a $200 bait, mystery box, Halloween inspired. I really don't think this wasn't Halloween inspired at all. Not really. I mean, dude, throwing in a Joker card, alien Joker card, a glow stick, and 2 erasers doesn't make it Halloween inspired. But maybe it's $200. Maybe the higher up ones, they do have more. Like I said, they have a 400, a 600, 800, and 1,000 with sneakers. So I just wanted to unbox this for you guys today on the channel. Let me know. Like I said, let me know if you want me to keep doing these mystery boxes. Like this one wasn't really a mystery. It was just 2 t-shirts and some random stuff. But guys, that's my video for today. I'll show you real quick what my dog just did to destroy the box. But guys, if you like the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Well, you have to see this. This is my house. Dude, look at this mess. Look at this mess. Dude, are you serious? Actually, I really can't mind because I don't have to break down the box and he just does it for me. But guys, that's the video. Peace.